Yes, my people, working on an Audi A5 today. The complaint is the steering wheel has a tight spot, a loose spot, a tight spot, and a loose spot. So we suspect the steering shaft. So this steering shaft, there's a U-joint there and a U-joint right here. I'm unhooking it from the rack and pinion because I want to operate the joint by hand to see how smooth it is. It should be free going this way, it should be free going that way. And in moving it with my hand, I can tell there's a tight spot. It is frozen. That boy is bad. So this is a new part, just to show you how smoothly it should operate. So we're under the dash right now, unhooking the other end coming from the steering wheel. That's the pinch bolt. Get that bolt out of there. You slip it off the steering shaft, and then afterwards we're gonna push through this grommet, push it from the inside out. Well, at least that's how I did it. Pulled it out and then slip the new part in from up top coming down. Pull the new grommet through. That was our challenge. Then hooking it back up to the rack and pinion. That's what the problem was. That's what the fix was. Tightening it back up nice and tight. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bless.